Today I'm going to show you how to do the detached chain leaf fill stitch. And with this one, you use the detached chain stitch to fill in your leaf, very similar to how the leaf stitch is filled in. So with this one, we are going to bring our needle up kind of about a third of the way into the leaf. You can see I've marked that with my straight stitch there, or my straight line there. We're going to come up, we hold our thread towards the top of the leaf, and then we go back down in the same spot, making sure not to catch our knot on the back. We tug so we have a nice open loop on the front of our piece, and then we want to bring our needle up right at the top point of our leaf, coming up inside that loop there. And we gently tug so that loop becomes flush with the fabric, and then we'll do a short little stitch right around the top of that loop to hold it in place. All right, that's our first stitch. Now the rest of our stitches are going to go at a diagonal. So we'll do the right side, then the left side, right side, left side, as we fill in the rest of our leaf. So I'll bring my needle up right along that center line there. Hold my thread towards the outer edge of my leaf. Go back down, right next to where I came up. Tugs, we have this nice open loop, and you can see this side of my loop is next to this loop here, and that's so I know there's not going to have like a gap or anything in between my stitches. And then I bring my needle up right inside that loop along the outer edge of my leaf and gently tug so our loop becomes flush with the fabric, and we do our short little stitch around the outer edge again, like so. So now we'll do the other side. Come up just slightly below that last stitch along our center line. Hold our thread towards the outer edge. Go back down along that center line. Tug so we have our nice open loop. My thread on that inside part of my loop is flush with my loop that's next to it. And then I bring my needle up right along that outside edge of my leaf, coming up inside my loop, and I gently tug so that loop becomes flush with the fabric. And make a short little stitch to hold it in place around that top edge. And now I'll keep filling in my leaf here. And there is our filled in leaf using the detached chain leaf fill stitch.